Hello everyone. Today we will be demonstrating the unboxing and installation of off-road vehicle underglow lights. Inside the package, you will find 20 white LED underglow lights. Along with the lights, you will find a user manual, automotive double-sided adhesive primer, and self-tapping screws for optional secure mounting. Customers can also configure extended power cables depending on the size and layout of the installation. Everything you need to get started is included here. Before we start installation, let's look at the tools you will need. You will need a towel for cleaning the mounting surface thoroughly. Electrical tape will be used for insulation and wiring connections. If you have heat shrink tubing or solder, that can improve the strength and waterproofing of the wires. A blade or wire strippers will be required to strip insulation. It is recommended to use wire strippers for safety and precision. Finally, a 15mm wrench will also be needed. Depending on your vehicle, you may need additional tools. Our underglow lights are connected in parallel. If you plan to install multiple sets, each set will have its own power cable. Installing multiple sets increases electrical load, and this can cause wires to overheat, which might lead to insulation melting. For multiple sets, it is highly recommended to use a relay. The relay draws power directly from the battery, while the ACC connection acts as a control signal. Safety is very important, so always check connections carefully. Before starting installation, decide how you want to control your lights. If you want the lights to turn on automatically with the vehicle, connect them to an ACC power source. If you prefer manual constant on control, a relay will be required to safely manage power. In this guide, we are using ACC power as the main supply. This method is simple and ensures the lights operate correctly with the ignition. Open the fuse box and locate an ACC fuse. In this example, we are using a 20 amp fuse. This is a DIY fuse tap with an extended power wire. The lower slot holds the original vehicle fuse. The upper slot will supply power to the underglow lights. Remove the original fuse carefully using needle nose pliers. Insert it into the lower slot of the fuse tap. Then insert the upper fuse into the top slot and reinstall the fuse tap securely into the fuse box. Make sure it sits firmly and does not move. Next, route the wire carefully along the edge of the fuse box. Bring the wire outside and close the fuse box securely. Route the extended power cable from the engine compartment toward the wheel arch. Choose a path that is clean, safe, and away from moving parts. In this example, we route the wire under the bumper and into the wheel arch. Always plan the path before making connections. Now strip the insulation from the extension cable to expose the copper wire. Each underglow light has two wires, red and black. The red wire connects to 12 volt positive and the black wire connects to 12 volt negative. Strip the positive wire carefully. and twist it together with the extension wire. Wrap the connections securely with electrical tape. If you have heat shrink tubing, it can be used to improve waterproofing. Repeat this process for all lights, making sure each connection is solid and secure. Double check all wires before moving to the next step. Strip the negative wire and attach it to a nearby metal ground point. In this example, we mount it on top of the shock tower. Use a 15mm wrench to tighten the bolt securely. After connecting the ground and power, turn on the vehicle to test the lights. The lights should turn on normally. Turn off the ignition to ensure the ACC power shuts off the lights correctly. This confirms that the electrical setup is functioning safely. Clean the installation surfaces thoroughly using a towel. Apply the adhesive primer evenly to each mounting location. Wait approximately 2 minutes for the primer to dry fully. Peel off the protective layer of the double-sided tape. Then press the underglow light firmly into place. If the surface is uneven or the tape is not enough, use the included self-tapping screws to secure each light. Install carefully, making sure all lights are aligned and facing downward for best effect. Recommended positions for installation are the underside of the front bumper, inside wheel arches, the middle underside of the vehicle, the rear wheel arches, and the rear bumper underside. Turn on the power and check that all lights are functioning correctly. Now your off-road vehicle underglow lights are fully installed and you are ready to enjoy the finished look. Thank you for watching.